Lessons from the Deep. Adapted from a text by Anna Gratz Cockerell. Of all the strange and wonderful creatures that live in the ocean, one unique creature stands out above the rest. It is the amazing octopus. Mischief and craft are plainly seen to be the characteristics of this creature. Claudius Aelianus, a Roman natural historian, wrote at the turn of the 3rd century A.D. Humans have been catching and eating octopuses for hundreds of years, and yet their mystifying biology and intelligence continue to inspire and puzzle the researchers who study them. There are over 300 different types of octopus, and they can be found in every ocean in the world. This cephalopod's unique body, called a mantle, is soft and shaped like a bag. Boneless, the octopus can squeeze into impossibly small cracks and crevices. Its 8 rubbery arms are attached to its bulbous head near its mouth. Each arm is nearly 5 feet long and covered with nearly 200 suckers, which help to both grab and taste things. Octopuses can bend their arms in every direction, says biologist Jeff Christensen of the Seattle Aquarium. In order to move, they have to work muscles against themselves because they lack bones for the muscles to pull on. The octopus can see very far distances, but it cannot hear anything at all. The octopus's body is amazing on the inside, too. Along with its stomach and other organs, the octopus has 3 hearts. 2 of its hearts send blood, which is light blue, to its gills on 2 of its arms. The 3rd heart sends blood to the rest of its body. When the octopus breathes in, water comes in through its gills and fills its body. When the octopus breathes out, the water comes out the siphon. One of the most striking characteristics of the octopus is the wide array of techniques it uses to avoid or thwart its attackers. When an octopus wants to move quickly to escape a predator, it can expel water from its siphon and push itself backwards, a process called jet propulsion. Using this technique, octopuses can travel many miles. An octopus can also protect itself by squirting ink at a predator, obscuring its view, and causing it to lose its sense of smell temporarily. This makes the fleeting octopus difficult to track. And if a predator manages to grab an octopus by the arm, the octopus has one more trick up its sleeve. This escape artist can break off its arm, swim away, and then grow a new one later with no permanent damage. The first line of defense, however, is to hide in plain sight. Using a network of pigment cells and specialized muscles in its skin, the octopus can almost instantaneously match the colors, patterns, and even textures of its surroundings. Scientists are studying the camouflaging skin and pliable body of the octopus for insight into building resilient, soft rescue robots that can fit into hard-to-reach places. Though the octopus is skilled in defense, it is also a nocturnal hunter who enjoys a varied diet, including snails, fish, turtles, small crustaceans, and even other octopuses. An octopus catches its prey by snaring it with its arms, sometimes using ink to disorient its victims first. To kill its prey, an octopus bites it with its tough beak-like jaws and injects it with venomous saliva, paralyzing it. Only one type of octopus, the Australian blue-ringed octopus, can kill a human with its poison. Considered the most intelligent of all invertebrates, octopus's brains are still a mystery that offers scientists the opportunity to study a unique kind of complex intelligence. Running on a decentralized nervous system, 2/3 of which is distributed across its 8 arms and away from the central brain, scientists are not sure exactly how octopuses experience the world. Though they are invertebrates, cephalopods exhibit affective, cognitive, and behavioral traits once considered exclusive to the higher vertebrates. The European Union recently made the octopus an honorary vertebrate to ensure that they are legally protected against pain, suffering, distress, or lasting harm. For example, scientists have taught octopuses to learn to distinguish shapes and patterns. Some octopuses in tanks have been observed playing games. They throw objects into circular currents in the water and then catch them again. Another study found octopuses collecting coconut halves to use as tools, snapping the halves together when they were scared or wanted to hide. Research shows that octopuses may have emotions too. Scientists believe that an octopus can change color depending on how it is feeling, remaining pale in color when it is relaxed, but becoming brightly colored when it is angry or sad. Furthermore, curiosity or malice is evident when an octopus doesn't just look at you. It stares you down or studies you. Scientists and aquarium staff tell stories of octopuses who torment and outwit them, laying in wait to ambush them or sneaking from their tanks at night to gobble fish from other exhibits. Aquarium staff need to be wary of cephalopods who become bored, as some specimens have been known to break the monotony by eating their own arms, which tends to scare the kids. Some scientists even believe that individuals exhibit distinct personality traits. Of all the animals in the sea, on land, or in the air, none is quite like the octopus. Some of the research on octopuses remains controversial, but more and more research on these startling creatures is confirming key findings of their intelligence. There is still much to learn about these mysterious and mischievous creatures.